It is super easy to buy runes using OKX. Y'all know how I feel about their mobile wallet, so open it up, go down to Marketplace, select runes, and you'll see a list of hot runes. Let's be real, I'm buying more Wango Mango, so I go to the search. I start typing in Wango Mango and click to select. Here you can see all of the information, and by default the packs are listed by low to high price. It lists the price in both cents and sats. Now, depending what you are looking for, I always like to look also at total price low to high, as sometimes people will have smaller amounts that are just a few sats more. So when you click the default, you'll get this list and you can expand and click on whatever you're looking for. And here you can see that there's much smaller packs available, which is also alpha for listing. Once you choose what you want, you select buy. This screen will load to confirm your purchase. Hit confirm. And just like that, my buy was successful. If you want to see your trading history or watch the transaction, click view trade history, where you'll be able to track the progress of your transaction. And once it confirms, you now have your Wango Mango listed with the rest of your crypto assets. As always, let me know if you have any questions, and have fun buying runes using OKX Wallet.